Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on a mountain. Okay, we are on a mountain and we are looking at our very first castle here in Germany. Crazy, did not think that I would be here, but we got special guests on the channel today, guys. It is crazy. They traveled 4 hours to be here. Give it up for the new vlogger, Herbal Sunshine. Say what's up to the folk one time. All right, enough of you, back to me. Anyways, they traveled 4 hours to come see us. That's family. That's what I call family. But this castle, it's already crazy. Like, you could, that's crazy. So we're about to see what it's like on the inside. I know you guys are gonna like it. So let's see what it is. It's crazy to think, man, like people lived here, you know. Like, I have no idea what that right there is for, but it goes all the way through, and so does this end. Like, you can see through it. Javi over there was like, touch it, man, you gotta see, you can feel the history. The little baby right here, seeing her first castle is crazy. It's crazy.
I wanna look over this little wall, see what it looks like down there. Look at this little hole. Wow. What a view.
Oh, hey, what's going on? So apparently they used to use cannons out of this bit. That's wild.
Look at this view. Beautiful.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Hear ye, hear ye. Get your shit. Oh, sorry. Get your shit and get out. Oh, you didn't like that? Get take that, get a bit, get ready. Let's go.
Look at my little baby. He's so cute.
Say hi, Mama. Say hi. There we go.
Okay.
Alright, so apparently that right there is like their guard tower. So, you know, people be coming in, they're the first ones to like open up the gates or whatever. So that's crazy that we got to go up there. I got to take the baby up there, you know. Mama, look this way. Look this way.
Hey,
there we go.
Baby.
Say, yeah. Oh, okay,
No.
never mind. Never mind. My bad. All right. Gotta go all the way in or something. I was hoping someone's gonna be close.
that tiny head. That tiny face.
We found this little machine that turns 5 cents into that.
Souvenir medallion.
There you go, a souvenir medallion
Here it goes.
from Bergnonstein. Crank that soldier boy, motherfucker. You didn't even pick nothing.
Come on, Iggy.
Don't break it. It just does it.
Oh, what the hell is that?
It don't. Wow.
Which one did you get?
You just stepped all over my shoe.
Bergwijn Nijnstein.
Bergnonstein.
Here's the 5 cent in the back. Oh, squished.
We need to do
Oh.
a video just German
Oh, yeah,
names, German
squish.
cities. And
Oh, that'd be a good one. Would you guys like to see that? Just trying to pronounce German
I got the
names.
other one. Nice.
Yay.
I got one of each. Ow!
Bergnonstein.
German foods.
Oh, that's a good one. I like that idea.
You like this, baby? You like it? Look at that. Our first German souvenir
German foods.
from a castle.
Oh, like a YouTube video?
Pretty dope.
Ooh, I'm
Pretty
so
dope.
Hear that, yeah.
Oh my God, they got a broomstick up there. Someone's trying to get out. Watch out,
We are currently in
Landstuhl.
crossing the street. And there's this beautiful building. Church. There's my baby with her face covered. She can breathe, we promise. She wanted to be facing front this time. Yeah. Pulling up to the American style chicken wings, hot dogs, beer, and more. Which is closed.
What? They should be open.
What do you mean? Open the door.
To 22?
Yeah, open. In we go.
You got your mask on?
No, I don't.
Let her go through. She was supposed to go first. Yeah, set the move with a chicken wing.
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chilling with my homie. Babe,
They're dead. What?
I'm trying to record the baby. Peekaboo.
They're dead.
Babe, look at her hat.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at her head.
Look at her hat. It's covering her eye. Uncover it.
How come they're not moving? All right, let's go inside. Let's go.
They're moving. Walking in.